Hello everybody! Let me show you a very easy way how to measure and install your new kitchen cabinet pulls and tackle the installation part. You will need a cardboard for the template, the pulls you are going to use, a pointed knife, a screwdriver and a drill. These are the pulls that I used. I put the Amazon link below in the description. Okay, let's get started. First, measure your cabinet. Grab your cardboard for the template. Cut it down to the height of the drawers. Measure the screw holes. Mark them on the template. Mark your hole in your template. Now here comes the tricky part. Mark a starter hole for pre-drilling. You can't fix a hole that's too large. Check the drill's correct diameter and start to drill on the marker hole. Screw it from the backside. Don't forget to subscribe! If you like woodworking, visit the link below in the description and get a step-by-step guide in the world's largest collection of woodworking plans. See you soon with another easy peasy DIY.